You just completed your school or college, and with all the self assessment and exploration, you just found your purpose. You just admitted to yourself the ultimate aim of your life. But it is out of the scope of all the formal education you had in your school or college. Yet, you understand the circumstance and go following your passion. You might need to move to a big city to fulfill your dreams. This happened to me. So I went to New Delhi, stayed there for few months and then moved to Mumbai. Staying in both cities make me ask myself the question of survivability. Where is the rent going to come from? How am I going to pay fee for the classes? How am I gonna buy food and other regular stuff? We all think that it is easy to get part-time jobs in bigger cities. Well, it is, but there is a requirement for that. For every job that you are going to apply for, you would be needing a specific skill set. And if all you have done during your school and college is chewing those big books, well, you have made it too difficult for yourself to get paid. You might get a tutor's job, but that too is not easy. Others job that you might get won't be able to pay enough for your expenses, and it would take a lot of your time too. You might have to travel a lot for them. Jobs like those in cafeterias, restaurants, stores, they also have shifts of at least 6 hours, and even they won't pay you enough. Plus, they will take your best time slot of the day. All of them will take you away from your purpose, which is in the first place why you came in the city for. So, the best solution is acquiring skills. Even one skill can get you a comfortable enough job. And if you learn more than one, well, good for you. Now, what kind of skills are required? Well, every skill is welcomed in big cities. Skilled people are in high demands there. It is you who need to decide what is your interest. Based on that, you can learn that skill during school, after school, or while you have all those vacations. Most in demand skills in big cities that are easy to learn are editing softwares. You can learn Adobe softwares as they are in high demand for editing and designing the social media and internet. The best thing with these softwares is that you can learn them from the internet itself. Any music instrument you like to play, guitar, piano, drums, flute, anything. There is a demand for everything in cities. If you know dancing, you can teach it in theaters and dance institutes. If you know multiple languages, there is a demand for language tutors too. Sports like boxing, mixed martial arts, taekwondo, etc. can easily get you a job in fitness industry. Also, personal trainings are in high demand too. Every skill has a place in big cities. You just need to find one that you are interested in and then learn it. The rest can be done with the help of internet and jobs websites, which will provide you with a suitable job that you need to survive. This was my realization, backed by the required research about it. Hope you understand through this video the things that I learned the hard way.